Hi, Matt from 4x4 Accessories and Tyres. Right, next new product. So as many of you know, we have offered a similar sort of product to this, and we still will for this car, but we've taken it that next step further. So what we've tried to do with this one is make a full integrated draw system that fits perfectly to the car. Now, there's no voids or anything down the side. It is a full system that's been tailor-made. What we've also done this time is we have made it non-drill. So what that means is on some of the older systems, what you used to have to do, you used to have to, when you're installing, you used to actually have to drill through the bed, nut and bolt it. It's not always the best option. So what we decided to do is take that to the next step, have some really good manufactured brackets that uses some of the car's existing points. So cut down that installation time, fits perfectly and really easy to install. What you'll also notice is we have decided to integrate a bed slide that works perfectly with this draw system as well. So we used to have one before on the draw system, but we've put this nice top on as well to finish it all, so nothing's getting dropped in, nothing's going down the side. So we've got these side pieces, still with the lashing points and everything on there, but just looks a more finished product. In regards to installation as well, what we have done with this one is in the framework of this draw system, it has already been riv nutted. So what that means is it's already set up to take this product. It is a full combined product. So what I will do is I will show you this. So bedside, really easy to operate. You've got a handle just behind there. You've got some different locking points on there as well. So you'll have probably heard that clicked in. So great if you're on hills, any sort of thing like that, and it's not gonna come out and in by itself. So what we'll do is we'll put it to maximum extension, which is there. So as you can see, it comes out a fair old way there, making anything really accessible that you've got at the back of the bed. A little bit of a product that we've got on here that I'll be honest, I'm really excited about. We had this sort of arch on the current T6 or the current model offering, and it just absolutely transforms that vehicle. So keep an eye on these, there's going to be loads of cool stuff coming. So what we'll do is we'll just pop that bed slide back in, and then you've got it there and it locks. As you can see, once it's in that lock position, there's no opening of that. And what you've also got here is you've got two lockable drawers, all stainless steel hardware. You can see obviously you've got keys that are supplied when you purchase this item. Really strong, really robust. So what you've got is all you do, pull that open there, fully extend it, and it actually locks there as well. So yeah, fully locked. Again, if you're on hills or anything, it's just perfect for that. And then what there is there's just a little tab on here that allows it to do. So basically what you do, push that tab down, push the drawer back in. Really nice, feels really solid. We've used some, we've upgraded the runners on there as well. Weight and everything, not a problem. Now I reckon on this bed slide you're probably looking around about 250 kilos on there. Now we have got customers with the same model on bed slides that carry a lot more than that. So, and with no problem at all. So it is capable, but we have had it tested to 250 kilos. Now there's loads more stuff coming for this car. It's been non-stop. We're really excited. I don't think I'll be joking when I reckon we've got another 200 products coming, so you're going to be seeing it all over our website, all over social media. We want to get everybody excited about all these cool new bits for your new Ranger that's going to be available sort of like end of March, we think. So keep an eye out, there's going to be loads of cool stuff coming, and yeah, like and subscribe the channel. That'll enable you to get these notifications and let you know when there's new products available. So yeah, thanks for watching.